Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool mirror right here, and basically what this is a filter shower head. If you can see the one that we got right here is from this bag right here, and both of these are basically the same thing. It's just that one of them is blue and the other one is plain white. But you can see on the packaging right here, they tell you guys some of the specs and features that's on here. If you guys are curious about what are the 3 settings on here, they basically provide you guys information right here. But that is basically what the packaging looks like right here. Let me actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside right here. So they do provide guys a user manual right here to teach you guys how to use the product and also how to set up as well. And then right underneath that, you can see we have everything else right here. So let's take it all out. Alright, so here is the first bag that's inside right here. And inside the little bag, they provide you guys this part right here. And when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material. It doesn't feel like a plastic material or anything, which is definitely pretty awesome. And right here, they provide you guys the tape you guys want to use to install the product. So that way you guys can prevent any kind of leakage. Right here, they provide you guys one of the heads. If you guys want to actually replace it, you can definitely replace the head if you guys need to. Right here, we have the actual product. If you can see, this is basically what the product looks right here. And we turn it on this side right here, you can definitely see the switch on here. So when you guys press on this button right here or the switch right here, you can definitely change the different settings on here to what you guys want to use. So like I mentioned, there is 3 different settings on here. The jet option, the rainfall option, and the massage option on here. And if you guys want to replace the head right here, you basically want to unscrew this part right here and then put it onto this part right here. But we don't need to do that right now because I actually want to use the option right here. But if you see inside right here, we do have all the filtering option right here, or the filter balls. So definitely when you guys use the product right here, the water will go through all these filtering options right here to give you guys clean water. And last but not least, we have this accessory right here. So you basically want to actually screw this on to the actual product when you guys are ready to use it. And that is basically everything that's inside the package right here. So basically for the other one, which is the white one, you basically get everything the same on here. The only difference is the color of the shower head. So I should open that as well to show you guys what the color difference. So when you guys open this one right here, this is basically what the inside looks like. So everything, like I mentioned, is the same thing. Only difference is the color of the shower head. Alright, so this is basically the shower head. So when you guys take it out, this is basically what the inside looks right here. So when you guys put both of them side by side, you can definitely see that both of them are basically the same thing. Only difference is the color of the actual shower head right here. This one is blue and this one's white. But everything else inside the package is basically the same thing. So I don't need to actually take everything out. But that is basically everything that's included in the package right here. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys how to install it first. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so here we have both of them. Let me actually install one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. So currently the setup that I have right here, this is basically what it actually looks like. So if you guys already have all the setup, then you guys don't need to take this part out. You can definitely leave it as is. But if you guys do need to actually replace it, you can definitely do that on here. But for this test, I'm going to leave everything on here and just take off this part right here because it works the same way. So I want to take this off first. And then we're going to put on this part right here and just screw it in. Alright, make sure it goes all the way in. Once you guys are set, you can definitely put it on there like that. And that is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully set it up. And obviously if it's the first time using the product, you definitely want to turn on the water and let it rinse out the filter and everything first to make sure all these balls right here are clean. Alright, so let's turn it on. So here is mode number 1. That is mode number 2. And then this is mode number 3. So you can definitely see the product on here definitely does work. You can definitely change the different modes on here really easily. If you see the high pressure water coming out, and you see all the beads inside is all wet, so that means the product definitely does work to actually filter out the water. And obviously I don't want to leave it on for too long because I don't want to waste a lot of water. But definitely see when we actually change the different modes on here, from the jet option to the waterfall option to the massage option, it definitely does work. So if you guys are curious about how to install this part right here, let me show you guys in a separate video of how to install it. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is install this part right here on there first. Alright, so you guys want to screw it on like this. Make sure to go as far as I can. And you guys want to fix this part right here. Alright, so that should be good. So what you guys want to do now is to install the shower hose right here. You guys want to take off this part right here first, and then you guys install it. Alright, and that's all set up that part. The last part right here, you guys want to install the shower head. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice quick test about and definitely see that she does work and she works quite well. So definitely the whole setup process didn't take that long. If you guys follow all the instructions correctly, then you should be fine. But definitely when you actually test out all the different settings on here, it actually works really well. But that is basically everything that's on the part right here. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the part right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for some high quality filter shower head to use for showering or cleaning stuff, or even doing like a laundry or whatever, then definitely getting one of these is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.